That's so filthy, bro.
Doesn't sound like a CRV.
Your rims look so nice. Oh, shit.
Are you ready?
Yeah. It don't sound like a CRV.
Here, check this out.
It doesn't sound like a CRV.
You drive it, you can feel it.
Oh my gosh. That's so filthy. Oh my god. Your CRVs though, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I would want this car. They add that long pipe, huh?
Yeah. I had pictures of him welding it, but I was like, I was thinking about waiting for dance practice. Like when I pull up, you're gonna be like, doesn't sound right.
But you can't wait, huh?
I was all like, Tommy's my boy, so.
That sounds so dope. It
Well, then
sounds
the
nasty.
rims. I'm killing them. Like they said, it's pretty dope with the rims.
They like it?
Yeah.
Tell them you have like one of